Debian 13, codenamed Trixie, officially arrives in 2025 as the newest stable release of one of the world's most respected and foundational Linux distributions. Known for its rock-solid stability, extensive package library, and strict commitment to free software principles, Debian has long been the base for countless other popular distros, including Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and MX Linux. But with the release of Debian 13, the big question is, how much has it evolved, and is it still the go-to choice for developers, sysadmins, and everyday users who want reliability over Flash? At first glance, Debian 13 continues its tradition of providing a universal operating system, one that works across desktops, servers, and embedded systems. With over 60,000 packages available, Debian remains unmatched in software variety, giving users access to nearly every tool they could imagine. The new release also introduces updated desktop environments, including GNOME 46, KDE Plasma 6, XFCE 4.20, and LXQT 2.0, ensuring modern usability across different preferences. The Debian team has polished the installer as well, streamlining the setup process to make it easier for newcomers, without sacrificing the advanced options experts rely on. Under the hood, Debian 13 ships with the Linux 6.10 kernel, providing improved hardware support, better power management, and performance optimizations. This ensures compatibility with the latest CPUs, GPUs, and peripherals, including newer laptops and ARM-based devices. For server administrators, this means smoother deployment on modern hardware, and for desktop users, it means fewer driver headaches right out of the box. Security updates and long-term stability remain a top priority, with Debian's legendary security team delivering timely patches while preserving reliability. Another highlight of Debian 13 is its focus on Wayland as the default display server for GNOME, a move that aligns with the broader Linux ecosystem. While X11 remains available for compatibility, Wayland delivers smoother graphics, lower latency, and enhanced security by design. For users who care about performance and modern graphics workflows, this transition marks an important step forward. On the software side, Debian 13 updates its package versions across the board. Programming languages like Python 3.13, PHP 8.3, and GCC 14 come pre-packaged, giving developers access to cutting-edge tools. Databases like PostgreSQL 16 and MariaDB 11 are included, along with system utilities and libraries that power enterprise environments. Combined with Debian's reputation for stability, this makes Debian 13 one of the best options for production servers and mission-critical systems. Of course, Debian isn't without its trade-offs. Its focus on stability means that software versions aren't always the absolute newest compared to rolling release distributions like Arch Linux. Some users may find the release cycle slower than what they'd prefer for desktop use. However, this conservative approach is exactly what makes Debian so dependable in professional and server environments. For those looking for more modern packages without losing Debian's stability, the testing and unstable branches remain options. Meanwhile, Debian 13's official stable release is perfect for anyone who values predictability, security, and consistency in their workflow. The bottom line? Debian 13 cements its legacy as a cornerstone of the Linux world. It's not trying to dazzle you with flashy features. Instead, it continues its mission to provide a universal, reliable, and highly customizable operating system for developers, sysadmins, and open source enthusiasts worldwide. If you want a Linux distribution that powers everything from personal desktops to the backbone of the internet, Debian 13 is a release that proves, once again, why it remains one of the most trusted names in open source. Mission accomplished if this review helps you see whether Debian 13 deserves a place in your daily workflow, or even as the foundation for your next big project.